Maalala po muli mga kaibigan, bukas po dito rin po sa GMA News TV at 1 p.m. FEU kontra sa Philippine Army.
Tagal, Pinay Rosso.
At tama sinabi ni Coach Roger, we may be short on number, but we're not short on desire. Ito na yung pang-8 player niya naglalaro.
Importante. You have to want it.
Right. Panatikla.
That's into the net.
So 9-1 right now sa ating talaan. Nag-uusapan natin yung dati kong sinasabi, 2011 nagpa-pictorial ang UAAP Magazine. So mga napili ng fans noong time na yon, sa UP si Amanda Isada. Okay, yung libero. Sabi ko, varying positions pa. Sa FEU, napili si Giselle C.
Ang cute naman talaga
Oo. Pero nung ginawa namin, minikapan namin, binigyan namin ng magandang damit. Talagang hindi mo makikilala. Nung pinag-pictorial nga sila noon para sa magazine na yun, hindi daw sila mukhang mga atleta. I mean, sa NU, we had Kaini Pomoceno. Sa UE, it was Lucette Dawis. Sa Ateneo, it was Phil Kainglet.
Alam ko yun
Lasal.
Ganda nga nila talaga doon.
Lasal, it was Michelle Gumabaw. For Adamson, it was ito si Pao Soriano.
Pao Soriano.
Maru, yung nakuha namin from UST. So talagang hindi talaga sila mukhang mga volleyball player. Which is also true nung nakita mo naman yung isang commercial ng kamakailan lang lumalabas mukhang mga volleyball player na mukhang magaganda pa rin talaga.
Imagine kung magaganda na sila dito sa court, wala pa masyadong ayos, di ayusan mo
Ayun
pa,
na
di
nga
na grabe pa. As Maru Banatikla again going for the push.
And Banatikla wins out there sa laban niya against Samantha Dawson. So 11-3, namamayagpag talaga ang Smart dito. And actually, Mikasa rather is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. And we have Simborio seeing her first action of the game. This is Charlemagne Simborio.
Kanina nung warm-up nakita ko, medyo malakas pumalo itong Simborio. Set.
Ito si Nika Guliman. We have a timeout here by Shaq De Los Santos.
Tayo makareceive. Ay! Kayla! Ano si Kayla? Boss ka muna. Kayla! Ikaw mag-receive. Receive ka. Libero ka. Kailangan maka-receive muna tayo. Hindi tayo makakatake. Kahit anong gawin natin play, kung wala tayo receive, wala mangyayari. Okay? Hindi na. Tsaga! Ay! Ikaw, Kayla. Ikaw mag-receive. Pasok ka.
So dinami-dami ng players niya talaga. It's the gelling part that FEU is working on
Yes.
pagdating sa parating na UAAP season. At yan po, ang ating mga phonetics, ika nga www.v-league.ph, ang ating league's official website. You can also check us out on Facebook, Shakey's V-League, and of course on Twitter, V-League_PH. Use the hashtag Shakey's V-League. May nagpapauso na dyan, SBL Open. Pwede rin gamitin yon. Here's the attack from Bagang, who's seeing her first action of the game.
And also Atienza is doing libero chores for Coach Shaq.
So the experiment continues now para sa kupunan ng FEU. Here's Jem Ferrer. Dalawa target niya. Pinili niya si Sue Roses.
And why not? Sue scores again.
Si Sue yata hindi naka-gel ngayon, ano? O yung-
Iba-ibang look naman.
Ibang look.
Tingnan mo,
ano.
ikaw talaga yun naman.
Dapa-
Tingnan mo talaga
Alam mo, ito si Sue, parang hindi gumagalaw ang buhok during the game. Ngayon medyo hinihipan na O si Charo, on the serve. Giselle C, nalunod si
Again, the
Malabanan.
connection. And well, you have to work on that. Talaga namang medyo mahirap yung connection, lalo na sa quick hit.
The lowest score, eto na, pinupuntahan na natin kasi 14-3. The lowest score in a first set in the history of the Shakey's B-League, kung di ako nagkakamali, was 6 points by the University of the
In a
Philippines. Yes, 6 points by the University of the Philippines. I believe that was 2010. And another point, this time coming from the very creative Jem Ferrer.
So smart coming in and instant point for Jem.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 15-3. Kanina first technical timeout natin, 8-3. Charo makes it 16-3. So dalawang technical timeout na po nakalipas, hindi pa rin po nakaka-score ang FEU. We'll be right back.